You know, I came to a realization yesterday.
People take life just way too seriously.
I mean, whenever anybody's having a dramatic conversation or argument or something,
They always talk in really dramatic voices.
and I think,
But people should talk in really silly voices.
like, extremely silly. Which, this is exactly what I've been talking about. I mean, we've been friends for a long time, and I think that's cool and everything, but I have some things to say to you. There's just some stuff that I wanted to say to you guys for a long time.
She's still my sister!
Look, that's not my problem. She
She's
was the one who
completely
started
your- Ow!
it.
Ow!
It was you.
Quite do this anymore.
So, you know, I think that pretty much proves
My point.
You see, silly voices really helps an argument.
I disagree. Silly voices, it's just not natural. Ah!
Of course. Then there's always the good old-fashioned way.
What? Ow!
Get
Ow!
back here.
That's my hair.
Yeah,
Ow!
I know.
Ah!